So there's a billion stretching routines that are out there, and you're wanting to know exactly what it is that you should do before your workouts, whether that is running, boxing, weightlifting, whatever it might be. This is my go-to, whether it's in the morning, before my lift, in the middle of the day. This is exactly what I do with somebody with a lower back issue, but has been training since high school, and I'm 32 right now. So here's what we do. You're just gonna need a mat, and we're outside right now before it gets to like 90 and humid. So let's go. You're gonna start with bringing your knees to your chest, just a slight little rock side to side. Then you're gonna take one knee, bring it over to the side. I like to push on my lower spine because again, I've got lower back issues. So big breath in and exhale, trying to reach to the other side. You can hold it as long as you want. I usually hold it until I get a crack, and the crack is pretty quick. All right, then I switch to the other side again. Big breath in, exhale as you push on that lower back, maybe get a crack or two. This works really well for me. After that, just a little rock side to side. After that, we are going to switch it up, coming to down dog, and we're just going to pedal out your feet. If you have been trying to run or have been running, getting shin splints, this is going to be a big one. You're going to want to stretch out front of your shin, kind of roll out your feet a little bit. I would even do this with shoes on before your run, and that'll help too. So we're going to kick one leg up, tuck in, one more time, and then kick it forward. From here, I want you to just kind of push forward on that knee. So we're just stretching out your ankle, and then we're going to do the world's greatest stretch. So we're going to go elbow down, reach and twist up. We're going to do this 5 times, really focusing on stretching that quad and hip out. Okay? And once you got that, we're going to switch back down and then to the other side. So we're going to kick up, tuck in, kick up, and then we got the other side. So again, just going to push forward, kind of stretching out that ankle, giving yourself some good mobility. And then again, we'll do the world's greatest stretch. So elbow down, reaching up, you're exhaling on the down, inhaling as you're opening up 5 times. I didn't touch down there, that's fine. All right, then what we're gonna do is pigeon. So you're gonna tuck your foot up, trying to keep it at 90 degrees as much as possible. That's not always going to be the case, but again, as much as you can. And then from here, you can just hold it upright. So stretch quad out a little bit more. If you lean forward, that's going to stretch out your glute a little bit more, and try to focus on relaxing your glute. I do notice that it is quite easy to just kind of keep it flexed or tight, but that's not what we are doing here. So try and relax it out. And if you can, get as low as you can while trying to relax it. And then just stay here as long as you want. Once you've got that, then you can switch to the other side. And then same thing, nice and tall, as close to 90 as you can. Not always going to be the case. That's always the goal. And then coming down and just going on from there. You know, nice little hangout. Again, if that feels good, feel free to stay there as long as you would like. After that, we like to do some cat-cow. So hands in your shoulders, knees under your hips. You're going to drop your stomach. Big breath in. And on the exhale, you're going to push through your hands, round out your back. Just nice and easy, flowing through. You can twist side to side. Really good, everything. Feeling good. Other thing I like to do is stretch out my wrists at this time. I do have quite good, I guess, like mobility. Mobility is what we'll call it, because it's not really flexibility. And it has hurt me in the past with some of the jobs that I have. So I have a lot of wrist and elbow issues. So I like to stretch it out. And especially if you've got like a squishy mat or carpet that you are on, that's going to feel a lot better to stretch it out rather than on the hard floor. So I like to do that as well. This is just leaning back, coming forward once you feel the stretch. And again, same thing with palms up. You can also do hands out to the side and kind of go in a circle. It's going to get you some good movement as well. But otherwise, that is it. That is what I start out with. And then from there, of course, you can go on to more specified based off of what it is that you're doing. So say you're doing upper body or a boxing workout, maybe you grab your band, do some banded pull aparts, up and over, whatever it is that you are needing to do, kind of get your shoulders warmed up. Even just some arm swings help out a lot. And then same thing with legs. If you are running, do you need to do a little bit more stretching based off of what is tight and what needs to get going? Or I like to do a lot more dynamic jumping warm-ups because I notice that that kind of helps with my shin issues, my ankles, calves, things like that, and that will kind of get things going and make it a lot easier. So it's whatever works best for you, and then you just go from there. So now that you have got the basic warm-up done, you're probably going to be wondering what a good workout is to go from here. This is my actual current favorite one, so if you want to check it out, definitely click on this next video, and you can actually download some free workouts that I have as well when you join my diary. So grab those free workouts, and then I'll see you in the next video talking about a great workout program.